Hello, all of you beautiful people out there. I know that's a reference to Jacksepticeye, but no one gives a But in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys on a journey of me studying and completing my Leaving Cert. Let's get into it. I know this may be the start of the video, but literally I have finished my English paper 1 exam. Sort of scuffing the first exam because I was only supposed to answer one question, but I ended up answering the entire paper. Yeah, gotta get back to the studying.
All the way to the top, all the way to it be falling, no. Every time that you leave your spot, your girlfriend call me like, come on, no. I like the way that she treat me, gon' leave you, won't leave me.
A few moments later.
Guys, it is now many hours later. It is almost 9 right now, and I've been studying me arse off because I have English paper 2 tomorrow, which I have been focusing on. I haven't done a lot of paper 1 for maths, so I need to start going over that as well. Pretty much I'm all settled for tomorrow, I'd say.
The next day.
Day 2 has now been completed. Your boy has finished the 3-hour 20-minute exam, the longest exam I've ever done. I have geography and maths paper 1 tomorrow, so that's going to be a bit of a struggle. So just get past tomorrow and I will be sorted out completely.
Later that same evening.
Right now I need to get back to studying, so geography and maths paper 1 tomorrow. Gonna be the worst day tomorrow. I am probably the biggest idiot in the fucking world. I did have the 2 toughest subjects of geography and maths today. Was alright with the topics. I think I scuffed one of the essays very badly because I thought he was asking me one thing, but turned out in the end I realised what he was actually asking me. From that, it was grand all day. Now I don't have any exams until Monday. Yeah, pretty much just gonna take the weekend a bit slowly right now. And
the next day.
Alright, so it is actually Sunday and not Saturday. I didn't even record anything yesterday, but right now I have just been doing some maths. I've been on StudyClicks, been going over the notes as well. Pretty much at the nice line of subjects here where I don't have an exam for a few days. Get this done and I will be sorted.
6 hours later.
So guys, I'm pretty much done with the day for the maths paper 2. It's a lot of like simple stuff. Like I shouldn't be saying that because I might not get the grades that I want. I need to make sure I do well as I only have 6 subjects and I don't do wires. So I just pray that I do well with the exam tomorrow. So for now, start editing this video and yeah, I'll just see where it goes and update you tomorrow on how the exam goes anyway. It is the end of day, I don't know which one, but I have finished me maths paper 2. It was way easier than the first one, easily able to get through it. Peter's right now doing his Irish exam. Have lunch and then I'm gonna get ready and study for me art exam, which is on Thursday. But I'm just glad that I never have to look at a fucking maths question again. That did save me from the paper 1 yesterday, so I'd say it was definitely a better performance than yesterday. I'm gonna have my lunch, watch YouTube and get some art done and then start editing the video. Dickhead 2.0. Yes, another night where I completely forgot to have my art today, and it only was 2 questions, so I was pretty much fine for the whole thing. 2 more to go pretty much, so Spanish and DCG left. Will be fine pretty much, but I don't have Spanish until next Tuesday, so I have like 4 days apart to study for it. Yeah, I'll be fine for them anyway, as long as I just get my head down.
The next day.
It's currently Friday right now, so obviously I don't have an exam until Tuesday. Everything's been going pretty steady for me now, so I'm on a good path here. I don't really need to be studying that much, but again, I only have Spanish and DCG left, so Spanish I will need to go over a good bit of stuff just because I'm not fluent in the fucking topic. So, and DCG, which I have not touched in bloody ages. But yeah, I'm probably gonna start going over them maybe a little bit today, but not a lot. But I will be going over them a lot over the next few days. Another day has finally been completed. I finally finished my Spanish exams. It has been a while. It had been a 5-day journey waiting for this exam to finally happen, and it finally happened. It was alright, I guess. Yeah, the listening I scuffed at like usual. The written exam, it wasn't the worst thing in the world, but yeah, I'll definitely take it. Now we are one exam away from these summer holidays. God bless. These are easy questions for us to do. DCG to finish things off. Yeah, finally finished my Spanish, and gonna have maybe a little bit of DCG done today, but I have all day tomorrow to get it done, and yeah, we'll see what happens when I finish. Guys, I just need to be a little bit quiet because my family are asleep and it's almost 11 right now. Tomorrow is the last exam I will ever have. I may have repeated it 1,000 times. DCG, the last bloody exam I have. If you guys want to come with me, I have literally every single piece of equipment or school books from my entire 6 years of being in my school. It's going. As soon as I get back from the holidays, all that stuff is going away. So yeah, this is a big move. I'm coming in to the man stage of life. I'm moving into the second part of life now. Hopefully I get the fucking points to get into me fucking college. Guys, we have landed in Spain and it is actually the next day because we got here at like bloody 2 in the morning and we didn't end up going to sleep until 3:30. We're in my bedroom, so we have one bed here, another bed here. Don't worry, Peter is sleeping in another bedroom. I am just knackered. I have just woke up and gone out of the shower. Well, it's officially our first day now in Spain. I finally finished my DCG. It was a bit of a disaster because I ended up having to redo both the long questions because I realised that I sort of messed up with how I had to answer them. I'm just gonna forget about it now. I'm on my holidays now. All I have to do is wait for my report and hopefully make sure that I got the points that I wanted to get into DKIT. Yeah, that is it over with the leaving cert now. If you guys did enjoy the journey and the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.